everybody, it's Mark Lieberman, your local solar ace here at Harvest Power, covering all of Long Island, Westchester County, New York City, and of course the entire state of New Jersey. I'm sitting here with our latest installed customer. It's Dawn from Huntington Station. How you doing today, Dawn?
I'm good. How are you?
Doing great, thank you. One of the things that was very unique to your situation, I've noticed, was the fact that you are having construction done in your house. Right now, we're
Sitting in construction.
We're sitting in the middle of construction. We picked a nice clean wall, but if you look at the house, it's not in disarray. It's just being built.
Right.
As we speak, it's being built. How was your experience working with us, first of all? How did that go for you?
It was great. They came, they knocked on the door, they said hello, and then they were done. They said goodbye. They asked us, I think, twice where something was, and then they were done.
Well, that's pretty easy.
Yeah, very easy. Didn't even know they were here because they were mostly outside.
Okay, great. In reference to us working around your roofer, your builder, your construction, in terms of timing, how did that work out for you?
It was fine. You told me, I think your guy said I needed a new roof. I told you I was already doing half a roof.
Correct.
We just decided to do the whole thing. I think it was another week delay, and we were done.
So only about a week to get the whole roof done, and then how many days did it take us to come down here to install after the roof was completed?
I don't recall, but I believe it was within the same couple of weeks.
Okay, so almost immediately. There were no delays on the project?
None at all.
Okay, great, thank you. In our conversations, I've been asking you post-installation if there was anybody that stood out that you might want to make mention to. And basically what you told me is, and I'll let you share it with everybody,
That they were here, they said hello, they said goodbye, they asked where something was, we showed them, the electrical or whatever. They knocked on the door when they were done, and they were out of here.
so there really wasn't,
Really had no idea they were even here.
it was that smooth.
They
and
weren't
that
noisy,
easy.
nothing.
Wow, that's impressive. I'm very happy to hear that about my staff. Thank you so much
they were
for
great.
the kind words. Is there anything else you want to say before we end this video?
No, I think everything went great. Start to finish. You included, the men, everything.
I appreciate
The paperwork,
that.
the computer, everything
I
was
appreciate
great.
that. Thank you so much. So let me just say thank you very much. If you need me for anything, I'm always available. Just ring me on my phone. You can send me a text, email like you've always done. And just because you're installed doesn't mean I forgot about you. I'm going to be here to help you for years to come.
Great.
All right? Thank you so much again.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.